Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to create two macros in VB Editor, and I'm gonna toggle the two macros to protect or unprotect all sheets. I got four sheets here, namely quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 sales report. So I've already installed two buttons here that I'm gonna use to toggle between protect and unprotect. I'm gonna create the two macros, and then I'm gonna assign one macro here in the protect button. Then I'm gonna assign another macro to the unprotect button. So the reason why I'm um, protecting the worksheet is because I don't want any accidental alteration happen to the worksheets, especially if these worksheets are very important information I have in the worksheets, important formulas, important data. I don't want losing this data. So whenever I stop working with my computer, then I want to protect it because I don't want somebody else working on my worksheets or my workbook. So I'm gonna protect it, and then I'm gonna unprotect it when it's time for me to do updating of the data. So if I update data here in quarter 1 sales report, then I can do that because I've already unprotect it. So right now there is no protection if I'm deleting it from my keyboard. So you know that's the problem. And then I'm gonna undo it, and then I'm gonna also delete something here. Okay, then I lose that data, so I'm gonna undo it. Okay, in the third worksheet, I'm gonna just testing whether this is protected or unprotected. Okay, it's unprotected, so I'm gonna undo it. Then let me go to the fourth database data sets. I'm gonna delete. Okay, I'm gonna undo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the two macros in order for me to be able to assign the two macros to protect and unprotect button, and I'm gonna toggle between protect and unprotect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open the BBE editor. Just press Alt plus F11. Then I'm gonna click the insert. Then I'm gonna click the module. Then the first macro that I'm gonna create is sub. I'm gonna name it protect all sheets. Okay, protect all sheets. This is for the first macro. Then I'm gonna declare one variable, only the worksheet WS as worksheet. Okay, and then I'm gonna loop it. I'm gonna loop through. I'm gonna use for each WS. Okay, for each WS in this workbook. In this workbook, okay, that sheets. Why plural sheets? Because I have four worksheets, so I want to cover them all. Because if I protect one sheet, all at the same time, all the worksheets will be protected. Okay, not just one, but all the worksheet will be protected. If I unprotect the one worksheet, then all of the worksheet will be unprotected. Okay, so that's why this workbook, that sheets. All right, and then WS dot protect, then password. So I'm gonna write the password here. Password colon equals quotation mark, then password. I'm just gonna use password as my password. but for you, you can use alphanumeric. You can use alphanumeric or a special character like hash sign or something else. Okay, so next thing is I'm gonna complete the loop through. So I'm gonna say next WS. That's it. So this is my first macro. I'm just gonna copy this in order for me to be able to make it quicker. Control plus C, then Control plus V to paste. Then I'm gonna change this Unprotect all sheets. Okay, then no need for this. We already declared the variable ups in the first macro. Then for each WS in this workbook, that's it, same thing. Then WS Unprotect. Okay, this would be Unprotect. Password, okay, Unprotect password, still the same password. Okay, make sure the same thing. Otherwise, you're gonna have issues. Alright, so next WS, then nsub. Okay, let's see if this thing is gonna work or not. Going back to Excel, I'm gonna try that. Right now it's unprotected. I'm gonna delete, then I'm gonna undo. Right, so I'm gonna assign first the macro to protect. Assign macro, then I'm gonna assign the protect all sheets. Click OK. Then I'm gonna right click the unprotect button. I'm gonna assign unprotect all sheets, then click OK. Alright, now I'm gonna click the protect. Okay, let's see if this one will work. Delete on my keyboard. See, the message box here says the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Okay, that is in the review tab in ribbon, but here we're using the macro. So let's go to the quarter 2. Okay, I'm gonna delete in the keyboard. Okay, same thing, it's protected. Also in the third worksheet, delete, still protected. In quarter 4, I'm gonna delete, they're still protected. So all at the same time, all are protected just by just one click of the protect. Say if you have more worksheets, like 10 worksheets, 15 worksheets, 20 worksheets, okay, only one click of the button will implement or will execute the protection of the worksheet. Unlike if you do it in the review, here in the review, okay, you do it one by one. Okay, if you have 20 worksheet, then that would be a hard thing to do. It will take some time and it will take some effort to do it manually. So that's why it's very important that we use we can use the button to protect and unprotect, and it will be executed across the worksheets. Okay, if you have more worksheets, then this will be good using the macro. Alright, so we're gonna unprotect. Okay, it went to the quarter 3. Okay, I'm gonna delete. Okay, it's unprotected. Quarter 4, delete, unprotected, undo. Let's go to 1, quarter 1, unprotected. Okay, undo. If I'm gonna protect, okay, you just toggle between the protect and unprotect. Or you can use, if you don't want to install a button, you can use a shortcut key. You just open the dialog box of macro, Alt F8, then option, then you can assign. You want control whatever letters that you want to add here. You want to use P to protect, or you want to use U to unprotect. It's up to you. Okay. Okay, you can use shortcut key, or you can use the button to protect and unprotect. Just one click, just one button, and it will execute across all worksheets. So that's it for today's exercise. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.